little friend, let's learn the colors and the shapes.
Yeah, Mom.
Oh my God, yeah, I have one Jimbo tower with me. I will tell you the shapes. Oh, first one is what? It's ball. Oh, it's red color. I know it's red color. Do you guys know this color? Yeah. Okay, let's learn another one. Oh, this is so nice fun. Yeah, it's yellow color. Do you know this circle? It is? Yeah, of course it is circle. Let's learn with the next one. Oh, this is the very nice triangle with the green color. It has three corner. My favorite color is blue. It's a square. Yeah, everyone knows it. Oh, which one is this? Oh, that's the star. Yeah, it's mostly a cover in the sky. Seems like sparking star, but it's red one here. Let's discuss this one. What's going on? It's moving. Yes, Pentagon. I know, its color is orange. Oh, what is this blue color? I don't know. Hey, little guys, if you knows, then please comment it down. Oh, what is this? I think so it's cross. No, it's not cross, it's plus sign, yeah.